Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's another ACT question, guys. At this point, we might want to go ahead and pause the video so you can try this problem out and see if you get the correct answer, guys. As always, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you can continue receiving these questions. I'm uploading one question a day, guys. Now, once again, those test taking strategies, guys. Here's another one. As you do the ACT, when you get your test booklet, remember you can write all over the test booklet. Personally, I would go through the entire section, find the easiest questions and do those first. Two main reasons, guys, why you want to spend quality time, okay, on the easy questions. Why you want to do those first. Number one, by doing the easy questions first, guys, you know you're getting a whole bunch of problems right. Instead of sitting on a very hard question, trying to rack your brain, figuring out this problem, it's best to go ahead and find those easy questions. And you'll know whether or not a question is easy, okay? Find those easy questions and do them first. Like those questions that you can just plug into your calculator. And yes, there are questions like that. Like this one right here, this is a calculator question, okay? So find the easy questions, do those first. And the second thing this does for you is that it builds up your confidence level, guys. It motivates you. It tells you that you are capable of doing this math. And by feeling so confident about the mathematics and you know you're getting the correct answers, right? That sets the pace for what happens on the remainder of the test, guys, okay? As always, leave no blanks, okay? Answer every single question. So 60 questions, 60 answers. All right, guys, let's get into it. So here's the question for this one. It says when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4, by how much does the value of the first expression exceed the value of the second expression? Okay, so let me read this one again. As I read, guys, I'm going to highlight, circle what's important. I don't care what you do. Just go ahead and do it in the booklet, guys. Remember, it's your booklet, okay? Circle if you have to, underline if you have to, but as always, read the problems at least twice. Okay, so on this one, guys, when x is 5, right there, and y is equal to 4, by how much does the value of 3x squared minus 2y exceed? Exceed means like more than, greater than, the 2x squared minus 3y. All right, guys. So what they want us here is to find the value of each one of these expressions. That's what they want us to do. So let's go ahead and write out the expressions. And the expressions are 3x squared minus 2y and 2x squared minus 3y. Let's go ahead and find the value of each one. But first, guys, in order to find the values, we need to substitute the given values for x and y. The given value for x is 5, right there, guys, right here, okay? The given value for y is 4. Now, let me highlight something. This is very basic, but I'm highlighting it anyways. Oh, I forgot my power here. Let me put my square here. Now, guys, listen. When I substitute these values in, notice I am enclosing them inside a set of parentheses. This is a good practice to uphold, guys. Why? Because sometimes you have negatives. When you plug them in, when you substitute them in for these variables, you don't want to leave out that parentheses, because sometimes when you leave out the parentheses, guys, and you put it on the calculator will compute it incorrectly, okay? So don't forget, when you do your substitution, enclose them inside parentheses, guys. Now, right here, this is where you're going to grab your calculator and you're going to do 3 parentheses 5, close the parentheses, squared, minus 2 parentheses 4, close the parentheses. Now, I want to say you could just do 2 times 4, but just to be on the safe side, just do the parentheses, just in case you get a negative, okay, guys? So 5 squared is 25. I'm doing it out, but of course you have your calculator where you can just go ahead and do it. 3 times 25, guys, is 75. And 75 take away 8 leaves you with 67. So that's the value of the first expression. Now, let's go ahead and calculate the value of the second expression. So for the value of the second expression, guys, let us look. We're going to, again, substitute the values of x and y into the expression. So the value of x is We're going to square that. The value of y is 4. Okay. Now we grab our calculator, plug it into the calculator. Yes, guys. Even if you think you can do this, seriously, plug it into the calculator, guys. It's better to be safe than sorry. Plug it into the calculator, okay? All right, guys. So I'm going to work it out anyways, you know. Order of operations says to do your exponent first. So I'm going to do my exponent, which is 25. 3 times 4 is 12 already. 2 times 25 is 50. Shazam. I was trying to write a 7 for some reason. And then 50 minus 12, guys, is going to leave you with 38. So now, guys, you have the value of the first expression, the value of the second expression. And so back to our question, this value here is 67. And this one is 38. I'm writing them up here because I want you to see what's happening. Maybe I should use a different color, okay? Let me change the color right there, guys, okay? I'm going to make this a black. Okay, so guys, there's your answer. So now the question is simply this. By how much does the value, how much does, okay, leave the value out, does 67 exceed 38? That's the question, okay? So you're just going to find the difference between the two. So you take your 67 and you're going to subtract the 38. And guys, the answer turns out to be what? What's the answer here? Okay, that's going to be 29, everybody. 29. And there we go. Shazam. We're good. That's it. I don't know what happened with my pen there, guys. I feel like I need to rewrite this because my pen got a little fluffy there. Okay. My pen got a little fluffy. All right, guys. This is the answer right here. It is 67. Take away the 38. Take away the 29. Yeah. Well, sometimes I'm really concerned about aesthetics, okay? So guys, there you are, just like that. We are done with this problem. Good luck on the test. And as always, guys, remember, you can do this. So until next time, bye.